Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to carry on our discussion about ATM.day. But before we move on, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Do your own research, guys, okay? So now, ATM.day, I already covered it a few times in my previous videos. I highly encourage you to go watch those ones as well. In this one, I just want to go and focus some time and explain to you guys what is actually ATM.day doing, right? So they are so successful, right? I think this is one of the best tools out there when it comes to finding those meme coins. Okay, obviously none of those meme coins are guaranteed. You have to do your own research. However, every time when I'm actually jumping in, I'm actually making some. Some investments, right? So sometimes I'm making 20%, sometimes I'm making 30%. If you're lucky, okay, you can even get a 210, like 10x, no problem at all. But you need to be patient and you need to do your own research. Remember, ATM.day has not been created for you guys just to tell you this coin will go to the moon. Okay, just go and buy it. Okay, and that's it. You need to go and sit and do nothing. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, this is a filter, right? When you go into the ATM.day, sorry, when you go into the Axiom, right? Okay, let's go into the Axiom, the homepage of Axiom, right? So when we go, let's say, to Pulse, right? Okay, we got filters here, okay, and those filters are here to help you out to make a decision which coin you might be interested in investing in, right? So this one here, ATM.day, is an additional filter, right? But it's a pretty good one, right? Why is that? Because what they're doing, they consistently tracing 20,000 profitable wallets, okay? And they also have a 30 other metrics which go alongside with that, okay? They are less important, but still important, okay? Combining all of those, right? You are getting yourself into the platform which are giving you, for example, this the coin like this, okay, was just introduced, okay, and they are expecting that this coin has a 50% chances, right, guys. This is not like it's gonna happen, it's a chance, right? It's like a flip of the coin here at this point, right? 50% is like a flip of the coin, right? But it's a good indicator, okay? Either you're gonna go up or you're not gonna go up, right? So this is something which might gives you some sort of an idea. Okay, I'm gonna go and try to do some research on this particular coin. Okay, so let's go and do it, right? So that coin was introduced 20 minutes ago. Okay, and so 20 minutes ago, 50%, 67 wallets which they are tracking are in, okay? 67 million tokens bought, 3,600 volume in, okay? So they are expecting that might be a chance, right? To go ahead and start do some sort of pump, right? So let's see what's going on here. Okay, we got a good number of buys. Okay, and there's a pro traders 269, holders 1618. Okay, and the dex wasn't paid. Okay, there's no bundlers, top holders 20%, right? Okay, so there you go, guys. This is something which might happen, might not happen, right? Here, if that was done here on 27th, 10/27, okay, you could make okay, you could make like 2x, right? So probably my guess is that those people who actually bought those coins, okay, those wallets jumped in here, right? Right? And they actually pumped up to 2x. Okay. So the ATM.day triggered this as it might be successful in the nearest future. Okay, a few minutes after, and you never know. Okay, if the wallets which are consistently profitable are jumping in, okay, there's a good chance that somebody else are tracking those wallets and they might decide also to jump inside of those, which means that they bring the additional volume inside the project, right? So that might be one of the reasoning when you're looking into it, okay? But again, guys, again, this is not an indicator that this will definitely go up. It is a filter, right? For example, it's zero coin. Would I come across this zero coin? Probably I would if I go into the pools and I'll do my own research, just doing here and there, like and scrolling through all those coins. For example, here's that zero coin, right? Okay, but you also have another ones, right? But the thing is that this one, it gives me additional like a notch. Okay, guys, this one might be a good one. It's a 50% chance. Okay, go and check it out. And that's why it's good to treat it that way. It's a filter. It's not the digital is not like a tool, it's not a bot which was giving you a signal like buy here, for example, or sell there. Like, it's not like that. Okay, they are only introducing those coins to you, and you have to make your own decision based on your research, right? Okay, now the other thing is, okay, let's go into the smart wallets, right? Smart wallets database, right? So one of the core indicators of algo is profitable wallets behavior, okay? On the Degen tier, they give you detailed analytics on those wallets, okay? And how does that work, right? Smart wallet trading pattern analysis. So every profitable wallet they track average holding time, win rate, historical entry, exit levels, some other indicators. So these metrics let you decide faster whether to take a trade or not. Guys, let you decide, right? You have to make that decision, all right? And fine tune a strategy for each trade. Okay, so largest, constantly updated copy trading wallets base, right? So each wallet is carefully labeled and appears with every algo discovery. So you can mirror the ones you trust in one click as the biggest deeply labeled regulatory update Solana wallets database, right? Okay, so they're actually claiming that the biggest deeply labeled regularly updated Solana wallets database. Okay, I think they actually do those updates every week. So every time when you jump into the ATM.day, this is not the same algorithm which was used to be last week, right? It's all been updated, okay? It's everything is evolving, as we all know. In crypto, times goes very quickly. Things are changing very rapidly, and they are updating that algorithm, which is absolutely fantastic because it gives you a peace of mind that whatever the algorithm is showing you, and it's with the most up to date, is really updated to those wallets are most up to date. Okay, so this is not like it's constantly changing, right? So impact: 70% of traders are 2x more profitable because of these features, right? Based on user feedback and analysis of 220 customer shared wallets, right? So they doing their research. Okay, they have their pool of wallets, okay, the customer wallets, which they agree to share the addresses with them, and they are tracking them and they making the conclusions. Okay, so basically they are telling you that they are 70% of traders are 2x more profitable because of these features. Okay, so all those features which they introduce here in ATM.day, they're making those wallets more profitable, which is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so now let's go quickly to the breakdown. Okay, so information always for past 7 days. So win rate. Okay, so 49.8%, which is absolutely fantastic. It's like a 50% nearly win rate. Okay, a trade counts as the win when the total sold is greater than total sold bought. Right? Remember, guys, when you're going in, all right, and you're buying something here, for example, this coin, right? I show you this coin from yesterday, right? I bought this coin over here. It's just somewhere around here, okay? They introduced that coin over there, right? So from the time they introduced that coin, okay, you can make like a 1x, like that, 100% profit, right? I did some due diligence and I invested here, okay? And from the time I invested, all right, all the way to the top, I could make like a 4%, okay? Suddenly, my internet connection dropped, okay? And that was huge drastic sell-off of this coin, okay? And since then, this coin is just simply going like that, right? So probably nothing's gonna happen in the nearest future. However, while I'm still holding that coin, okay, because I went into the deck screener, okay, let me have a look here. I think that coin was just there, right? This is a coin, right? And this project is quite promising, right? So that's why I decided to actually go and hold that coin. Look, computers for people, okay? Transform my life with technology, right? Decent, right? Decent project, okay? Real people behind that, okay? It's something which is really going on with this coin, okay? They created a coin, fine, okay? They have their website, they have their Twitter account, okay? Here is the fella who actually created, okay? He really looks legitimate, okay? Decent fella. He's gathering the computers and just giving away to other people who actually cannot afford them, which is absolutely fantastic idea. And I will be supporting those type of project. That's why I decided to actually hold it, right? So who knows? Maybe that was a sign, not for me to just sell it this coin when it was actually where was that? Where was there? Here. When I was actually up about 30%, I was about to sell it, and then suddenly internet connection dropped and there was a big sell-off, okay? But in my opinion, okay, that's not a big deal, okay? It's only zero point 0.1 sol. I put it inside that, right? But if this coin will hold for another like week, two, maybe a month, okay, who knows? It might actually skyrocket, okay? It happened plenty times in the past, okay? It was going sideways for weeks or months, okay, and suddenly it went like a 100x, 10x, 1000x, okay? It happened in the past. It might happen this time. Might not happen this time. Doesn't matter, okay? But it's a decent project all overall, okay? So what I'm saying this story, okay? Because let's say, like, guys, this coin was introduced here. If somebody bought it here, make like a 100% gain, right? I bought it here, right, after due diligence, right, and I still could make it like a 4%, okay? But then, you know, it's up to you when you're gonna to sell it, okay? It's not up to ATM.day to tell you where to sell. You need to have a strategy, right? You need to have a decent strategy, okay? And this is a filter, right? Okay. Would I come across this coin? Maybe, maybe not. You know, there are thousands of those coins coming every hour, okay? So probably I might have it, but most likely I will miss it, okay? If ATM.day would not tell me, okay, that this coin will go up, all right? So this coin was actually introduced with 87% expectations to go up, and it went up straight away after the introduction here, okay? And then it went down, right? And now it's going sideways, right? But the thing is that actually they introduced that coin to me, okay, to their users, and that coin did well, right? I'm not saying that each and every coin will do well here, but this is a decent project, okay? And I think it's worth the money to invest it in, okay? But guys, remember, if you are a beginner, okay, I don't think so. It's something which you might consider because it's quite expensive, okay? It's $230 a month, right? I'll be leaving the link inside the description of this video right here, okay? If you want to go and add it on a Degen mode, which is $590 a month, okay? Now, okay, you get access to database of profitable wallets. 70% of traders are 2x more profitable, okay? So they are giving you the access to it, okay? You can go and track those wallets, okay? This is a decent, this is really decent, piece of information they are giving you for that extra amount of money, okay? That's look, this is a quite expensive, I have to say, okay? You have to be a profitable trader. At least you need to know what you are doing, right? It's not for beginners, right? So guys, bear in mind here, it's pricey, but it can be if used the right way, okay, it can be very profitable, right, guys? Now, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, guys. If you like it, please hit the like button. Any questions, leave it down below, and thank you very much for watching.